Are you ready to connect with your higher self, with the third eye chakra? Connect with your intuition. Feel always guided and supported by the universe. Let go of control and surrender. And this video is for you. I'm Christina, and today we will do together a beautiful yoga flow. First, though, we're going to do the affirmations that will help us balance and open our third eye chakra, Ajna chakra, that is symbolized and connected with the color indigo. So you can see my beautiful outfit, and is situated between the eyebrows. It's the center of our intuition. You know, our higher self connects with us through our intuition, and today we're going to open and balance this chakra, starting first with some affirmations and then following a short, sweet and efficient yoga flow to open and balance this third eye chakra. And stay with me till the end if you want to find out one way, which is amazing, and I can tell you that it works because I'm doing it for a while, that you can connect with your third eye chakra by doing something super easy almost every day, or at least 3-4 times per week. Let's go on the yoga mat and start our beautiful, arranging it nice here, flow and connection with the third eye chakra. This time we're gonna sit down. Actually, not sit down, but with our knees on the mat. We're gonna relax our bum on our heels into a thunderbolt pose that already helps us connect with our intuition, the third eye chakra. And we're gonna start by just relaxing, taking a few deep breaths, visualizing the color indigo in between our eyebrows, connecting with the light within ourselves. And we're gonna repeat some affirmations, either out loud, you can do that, or just in your mind. That will help us balance and connect with our third eye chakra, the center of our intuition, imagination, spiritual insight and inner guidance. I am insightful and intuitive. I always honor and follow my intuition. I'm connected to my higher self. All that I need is within me always. I trust my decisions and intuition. I surrender to the divine. I am open to inspiration. I am following my true path. I am open to divine guidance. I honor my inner knowing and the divine within me. The universe is always guiding me. My mind is a powerful tool. I see and think clearly. I release doubt and welcome faith. And from this same position, we take a deep inhale, bring the palms together, and we're going to place them just between the eyebrows. Breathing, connecting, visualizing the color indigo, violet, connecting with our third eye chakra, Ajna chakra, connecting with our intuition, letting go of all limiting beliefs and trusting our intuition and tapping into our feet. Take a few deep breaths. Bring the palms down, roll the shoulders back, and slowly start lifting up vertebra by vertebra, keeping the feet together, knees together. From here, just bringing the head closer to your legs in a forward fold. This as well helps us connect with our third eye chakra. Slowly roll the shoulders up, roll the shoulders back, bring the arms up in front of the heart center into Namaste. We're going to start with 2 sun salutations from the front of the mat, keeping the feet together, taking a deep inhale, lifting the arms up, this time bringing our arms in front of our third eye chakra, between the eyes. Really folding forward from the hips, bringing the head towards the legs, and we stay here for 2 deep breaths. We can bring our arms just behind our heels if you want. You can even take them underneath your heels and bring your forehead closer to your lips. Close as you can go, visualizing the colors visible between your eyebrows, in the inner lines of the vision, connection with your body. Halfway, strengthening the spine. Then pressing the palms down, stepping back with the right leg, left leg, moving forward, yes. Bring the weight forward, elbows inside, cobra or upward facing dog, and going up into a downward facing dog. Taking 2 deep breaths in here, looking towards the front, walking, stepping, or jumping between the palms towards the front of the mat. And slowly roll the shoulders back. Bring the arms up and in front of your Ajna chakra, third eye chakra between the eyes. Connecting with your inner guidance, opening your intuition, trusting yourself. Slowly bring the arms down, roll the shoulders back, and we're going to do one more sun salutation for the eyes. Again, bring your arms just behind your heels. If you want, you can lift the heels up, bring the palms just underneath the heels. Push down through the hips. Straighten your legs as much as possible. And just focus on your breathing, on connecting with Ajna chakra, third eye. Take 2 deep breaths in here. Let go of all thoughts. Let go of all beliefs. Cobra or upward facing dog, downward facing dog. Take a few deep breaths in here. Move towards the front and step off or jump towards the front of the mat between the palms. Slowly lift up all the way. Roll the shoulders back, bring the palms up and in front of your third eye. The arms down and still from the front of the mat. So we just tackle the sun salutation and we're going to move into a dolphin pose that really helps us connect again with the third eye chakra. Taking a deep inhale, lift the arms up and fold forward from the hips. Inhale, lift up halfway through the spine. So press the palms down. Step back with your legs, move to your vinyasa. If you want, you can lift the knees down, chest down, elbows inside, cobra or upward facing dog. And this time we're just going to go into an extended child's pose, which is again another pose that really helps us connect with the third eye chakra. So we're going to connect our forehead with the ground, really tapping into our intuition. Extend the arms, get the fingers well, keep your toes together, knees apart, and your forehead connected. Take a few deep breaths in here. Focus on your breath. Open your intuition. Focus on connecting to the inner knowing inside. Slowly lift up only halfway. Keep the forearms on the mat, and now we're gonna lift up into a dolphin pose. So basically it's gonna be kind of a downward dog, but with our forearms down. Stretch well the fingers, and we start lifting our hips up. Lift the hips up, bringing the heels towards the floor as much as we can. Stretching the hips up, stretching the spine. Elongating the neck, taking a few deep breaths in here, focusing on the space between our eyebrows. And slowly bring the knees down, stretch back into an extended child's pose. Relax, connect your forehead with the ground, and focus on your breath. Lift up halfway in a comfortable seated position with one leg bent, the other leg extended straight. We're going to take a deep inhale, lifting the arm up, exhaling, bringing the arms towards the stretched leg and bringing our forehead towards the leg. Forward fold, forward fold, connecting our third eye chakra with our leg position. And just taking a few deep breaths in here. Slowly lifting up and changing the side. Bringing the other leg inside, stretching the opposite leg. Taking a deep inhale, lengthening the spine, exhaling, bringing our forehead towards the stretched leg. Focusing on our third eye chakra. Doesn't matter how far you are from the leg or close, the important thing is your intention. Slowly lifting up halfway, still sitting in our comfortable seated position. And from here, what we're gonna do the pose, sitting down here, cow face pose. So basically, we're gonna bring the right leg on top of the left leg and cross them as much as we can. And we're gonna do the eagle arms. The right arm just underneath the left arm, and we're gonna bring the arm in front of our third eye chakra, connecting with our intuition, connecting with our higher self, trusting that we have inside of us all the answers that we need. Elongate the spine, deep breath in here. change the side. So this time the left leg will come on top, and we're gonna bring it down as much as we can, crossing the right leg. And this time we're gonna bring the left arm underneath the right arm, elongating the spine and bringing the wrist close to our third eye chakra. Opening the third eye chakra, elongating the spine, and focusing on our intuition. Comfortable seated position. Roll the shoulders back. Stretch your arms back. Take a deep inhale. Bring the arms up, palms together, and in front of your third eye chakra. Connect with your intuition, with your inner light, your inner knowing. And slowly bring your palms in front of your heart center. Start creating a little bit more good energy and heat, and we're gonna bring it towards our third eye chakra, and also towards our heart center, in a sign of gratitude for everything that we have in our lives, and also always remembering that when we let go of control, when we surrender, when we trust our intuition, and when we trust the plan, things just start to flow in the most amazing ways. Just let go and let God, and see how your life starts to take just magical, miraculous turns in all aspects. As I promised, I'm gonna tell you also some other ways that you can connect with your intuition. Very simple way that you can do even every day is to go for a walk, or just look at the sunrise and the sunset. I did that maybe the last year, and I promise that it had amazing results for me, and I really feel way more connected and intuitive, and even the people around me noticed it. And another thing that you can do daily are also visualizations, meditations, of course, this yoga flow, and check out also the other videos about the other chakras and yoga flows, and also manifesting with the chakras. Looking forward to see you soon, and wishing you an amazing day, sending you best vibes always, kisses and best energy.